made a delicious tasting salad just now. I didn't take any photos because I didn't expect it to taste that great, but it's really awesome. And it's got strawberries and garlic in it, which you wouldn't think make a good combination, but try it. You'll be surprised how wonderful it tastes. So I was at Eon on Friday, and I got a lot of markdown salads. So I got this in a packet, this 4-season salad leaves. And I also bought strawberries marked down. These were huge, okay? They're like the ones I find in Poland or Latvia. Unfortunately, they didn't taste sweet or had any flavor. They were basically tasteless, but they were huge. And they were marked down from 23 ringgit to 7.75 a punnet. So I bought 4 punnets. Okay. And in my salad, besides the lettuce and the strawberries, I had 3 cloves of garlic, which I've smashed and peeled, and then minced it to tiny pieces. Tiny pieces. I put half onion, which I thinly sliced into rings, and 1 navel orange. Again, I peeled and sliced. Halved and then sliced so that they're not too big. 3 strawberries, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 green serrano chili, which I used my scissors to cut into tiny pieces. So green serrano chilies are not terribly hot, but they contain just enough capsaicin for health purposes. They help make your blood vessels flexible so that they can dilate and avoid hypertension. And what else did I put? Yes, I put a splash of balsamic vinegar. I was feeling a bit extravagant, and I decided to use my balsamic vinegar, which I usually keep for very special occasions. Otherwise, I have the Korean pomegranate vinegar or red wine vinegar or rice wine vinegar. But anyway, that was the thing, and I tossed it up and ate it. And I was surprised, how wonderful it tastes. So do try it. The garlic is there for the allicin. The onions are there for the quercetin. The lettuce leaves are there for the vitamin K. And the orange, of course, for the lutein and zeaxanthin, as well as the citric acid, which is important for lipolysis, metabolism of fat, as well as ascorbic acid, vitamin C, which is a major antioxidant. So that was my lunch for today, Sunday, August 17, 2025.
Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to show your support.